Work from home is gaining increasing popularity. This stems from the emergence of new professions, such as copywriters or moderators, that don't require a traditional office setup. Moreover, modern forms of communication and the rapid development of the internet enable performing at least some of the job responsibilities from any location. Not every profession enables efficient and optimal work from home. However, selling products online can bring similar results when working from home and from the office. An e-commerce business operating on the basis of the dropshipping model is an ideal solution. This job can be performed as a registered and non-registered activity. What is the greatest advantage of dropshipping? You don't need any warehouse to store goods, as you cooperate with a dropshipping wholesaler responsible for the storage and shipment of products purchased in your store. There are a number of advantages to working from home. If you work in an office on a daily basis, you aren't aware of most of them. Saving time. You don't waste precious time commuting to and from work or standing in traffic jams. You don't have to take part in unscheduled meetings that often take place in the office when someone approaches you with an urgent problem. If you need to hold a necessary business meeting, you can do it in a location convenient to you and the client. Saving resources. Not having to rent an office space, especially at the initial stages of your business activity, will be beneficial for your budget. Moreover, you won't need to spend money on a daily commute to work. Babysitting. Children are frequently forced to stay in a common room when school finishes. When working from home, you can take care of them. School-age kids don't require constant attention. Therefore, proper organization of time will allow you to work peacefully, providing a job opportunity for young mothers. Selling online is feasible even if you don't have a lot of time on your hands. When it comes to dropshipping, you don't have to add products manually thanks to automation. Feeling comfortable. You decide about the design of your office and job condition. You can work in silence or be accompanied by loud music. You don't have to follow any dress code rules. Work from home doesn't have too many cons. Some of them include no direct contact with other people. This feeling can be effectively managed with the use of popular online communicators, which come with a variety of extra functionalities. Distractors. For example, a large fridge standing in your kitchen. It takes a lot of willpower not to check it too frequently. Pedantic people may find it hard to focus on work when surrounded by spaces that aren't perfectly clean. However, it's possible to learn how to control such reactions. First of all, analyze whether working from home won't affect your effectiveness and results. If the decision does more good than harm, which is the case when it comes to dropshipping, you shouldn't be worried. Self-discipline is the key to success.